Hello everyone. So here again very simple program based on multi-threading right now. Just for understanding purpose right now. So from threading import everything. Then we have one function that is display function, and in that we have a for loop for I in range 5 and one print message. Now obviously we are importing everything from the threading module. So it is possible to create object using the thread class. Okay, so T is the object created using the thread class, and target of this object will be display function. That's why we are writing target equal to display. Now as soon as we write t.start, that object will jump to your display function, and it will execute the for loop of display function. But at the same time, obviously in multi-threading concept, we have one default thread which is always running, which is main thread. So parallelly one more thread is running and executing this for loop which is outside of function. Okay, and it is executed by main thread. So we'll check the output of this. Control S F5. See, we are getting main thread, then child, main, child, likewise we are getting the output. Suppose we execute one more time. So now we are getting child, main, child, main. So order is not fixed. You will get output in any order because they both are executing parallelly. Thank you everyone.